So here is how you can search for a face on Google Photos on your iPhone. Let me guide you through it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started. So at first, we of course open up the Google Photos app like this, and we need to set it up inside of the settings. So if I click on my profile picture, in at the top right, you can see the details. Make sure that you are inside or using the proper account for your Google account, right? So you can see all of your photos, but below you can find Google Photos settings. Plenty of things as well, but I want you to go to the preferences right here, and there is the ability to enable grouping of similar faces, right? So you can see that you can enable it like this. It's probably just going to be one toggle if you haven't done anything to it before. So just enable it, and then you'll have the ability to also choose it for pets and also choose the face to be me, right? So you can tie yourself to one of the faces stored in the photos. But you can always come back, right? Let's say I'm going to go back to the main page, and if I click on collections and at the bottom, I have the ability to go to the people and pets right here. So you can see plenty of people might be recognized. You can expand it, and then you can add the people in here. So you essentially have the ability to tap on the person and make sure you give them a name, right? So you can see we have the option to add a name like this, meaning that I'm going to name that person whatever they're called, and then I will have the ability to use it to search for them, right? So once the app knows who that is, then I will have the ability to quickly perform a search and look up those people. So that's a very nice way to set that up. I hope that you are able to find it and make it work on your device. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.